This Melior song composed by Kalani Pe'a is a song that was written for his mother. Poli'ahu signifies his mother, his heavenly one, his idol. You are my exquisite flower. Majestic Mauna Kea, oh, you're exquisite, the most appealing guardian, my heavenly one. Covered in the blanket of snow, you are Poli'ahu, this warmth of love. She embraces me.
Mauna Kea kila kila keua kaui Luhi ehu kamakua o kulani Poli'ahu kawahine kapahauanu Tumehana kawahine e apomai
The slopes are embraced by the snow. Structures are built around the guardian. Lightning and thunder occurs. To long for the love we must cherish forever.
Ke kuahiwi I kamoena Po ai naha le apuni kamakua Ua kani a uina a mauna ia Me ono I ponono e pula mamau
We call out to you, Poli'ahu, who sits amidst the beauty, the appealing guardian, the most heavenly one. Majestic Mauna Kea, oh, you're exquisite, the most appealing guardian, my heavenly one.
Poli'ahu kamakua kulani Mauna Kea kila kila keua kaui Luhi ehu kamakua kulani Luhi ehu kamakua kulani
Mahalo, ladies. Mahalo, everybody. Mahalo.